Hello guys, today we are going to show you how you can create a barcode or a QR code using a Python command line module. So let's get started. First we are going to install the dependency name pyqrcode. pip install pyqrcode. Let's create a new Python file and name it as a QR code.py. Okay, first we are going to now we are going to import a Python module. Let's import pyqr code, and from pyqr code we are going to import QR code. It will generate a QR code. So here first you have to specify a link. We had created a new variable called link. Here we are going to add this site for which we have to create a link. So here we are going to add our blogging site link for which the QR code will be generated. Next we are going to create a new variable named barcode. In this we are going to store our QR code. So let's create our QR code. And here in parameter we have to pass the link of our website for which we have to create a barcode. And the final step, we have to save this barcode. So let's save this barcode in SVG format, and inside the parameters we have to name the file. Let's name it as snqrcode.svg, and we have to put the scales of the barcode. So we'll set our scale to 8. So that's it guys, save the file and we will run here. That is Python QR code.py. As you can see here we had got a SVG file. To open this file you can open it by using any web browser or something. Wait, let's show you. Okay guys, so once you have run the code, you will get you have to go to a desktop file for where the QR code has been stored, and you can open it using a web browser or whatever format your system supports to open the SVG file. So if you scan this QR code, it will redirect you to your the Blogspot link which had been added. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. So guys, do like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more technical videos.